Hi! Welcome back to my channel. You guys were so nice on my last video and it made me feel more comfortable about being in front of the camera and sharing things. So I just wanted to say thank you for that. And I'm going to do another makeup tutorial, but this time it's a haul slash makeup tutorial. It's like we're gonna see these items together because this will be my first time taking them out of the package and my first time using them. So I thought that would be fun. Yeah, let's get started. So I went to Ulta. The first thing, I got a new eyeshadow palette. It's the Juvia's Place, the Masquerade Mini palette. I love Juvia's Place packaging. Like, this is beautiful. But this is what it looks like on the inside. You guys, I feel so silly doing this channel. So I kind of, if I'm being honest, I kind of had a fear of starting a channel. Not a fear, but a reservation for starting this channel, because it seems so scary putting yourself out there on the internet for other people to see you, and you know they're going to judge you because it's the internet and people are really mean on the internet. So that was my main reason for waiting so long to start a channel. I got another Becca Sunlit Bronzer because, like I said in the last video, the shade that I have, the Ipanema Sun, the original one, which, let me pull that out. So this is the Ipanema Sun. And so I went back and got the one that was the next shade darker, which is Maui Nights. Okay, so this is Ipanema Sun. So Maui Nights, Ipanema Sun. There's definitely a difference. This is more like a golden color and this is more like a copper shade. So I'm interested to see how this is going to look on my skin. And then I got some lip products. I got 2 lip glosses or something from Milani. Oh, it's a Nourishing Lip Plumper. I thought it was just a lip gloss. I obviously don't need lip plumping. Now it's time to get started on the makeup. This light, you guys, is blinding. So I'm going to use the same face product that I used the last time. So I'm using this tinted moisturizer from Bare Minerals. Okay, so that is my base. Same thing, MAC Prep and Prime and highlighter, color corrector. And the shade that I'm using is Peach Luster. Same concealer as last time, the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Amande or Amande, I don't know. Who knows? And this time, I didn't forget, I'm going to use my second concealer, my highlighting concealer, the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer in the shade 390. Just to brighten up here in the center. So now I'm going to try the new bronzer. Ooh, that's like a lot darker. Ooh, I kind of like it. It looks a lot more bronzy, like I've been in the sun kind of bronzy, versus the other one was like a slight tan. This is like I've been on vacation. Okay, so I forgot I got a new powder also. I'm going to try the Morphe Banana Rich Bacon Set Setting Powder. Okay, so just under the eyes. Oh, I like that. That is nice. I'm going to use my regular Laura Mercier medium deep setting powder. And then I like to use whatever is left over to go underneath my bronzer contour or whatever. The NYX micro eyebrow pencil or something like that. Yeah, like I was saying, I was afraid. I've had this camera for months now. I either bought it last year or like early this year. early this year seems so long. It seems so long ago. So it feels like last year. So it could have just been earlier this year. I don't know. Yeah, so I was scared to make this channel. Basically, I've had this camera for a long time, a minute. But I just haven't had the courage to record. I don't know. It's just, I'm such a private person. Like, I'm really quiet and really private. And so to decide to make videos and put myself like on the internet for everyone to see, it was really like, I don't know about that. But, you know, being in quarantine, it's like, well, why not? Just go ahead. So I'm taking some of the Fenty, the lighter one, and a concealer brush just to clean up my eyebrows. But I am, honestly, when I was recording and editing, I really was enjoying it and having fun. So, and way more people watched it than I was expecting. Like, I was expecting maybe 10 people. I don't know what the number is now, but the last time I checked, it was more than 10 people. So I was very pleased. So that was nice. So thank you. So now we move on to eyes. Oh, it's so pretty. So I always use this palette. Whenever I do my eyeshadow, I always come back to this Kylie bronze palette for this middle color, this orange. It just adds like a really nice warmth around the edge of the eyes before you start getting into like your crease colors and stuff. And just put it right on, not in the crease, but like right above it. But so back to what I was saying, I'm really proud of myself though for starting this channel, because I feel like I let fear of failure hold me back from a lot of things. So the fact that I even posted that last video was big for me, especially since it was such like a personal topic. So I'm thinking I'm gonna start with this pink color here, this really bright, like this really bright pink here. Okay, and then go on top of it, but still leave some of the orange, and then we'll go back, or I'll go back and add more orange. Okay, I know it's looking crazy right now, but don't worry. Don't panic. Go back with that Kylie orange color and go back around the edges of that pink. Okay, so now going in with my new palette, this kind of burnt orange color. And it has like gold glitter in it. And that is going to go on my lid. It's not exactly what I thought it was going to be. Okay. But I have something for that. So I'm still going to use that. I'm going to blend it out. And then I'm going to go in with this color here at the bottom. So apparently it's better, at least for this color, to use your finger than the brush. Okay, this is going in a whole different direction than what I was trying to go for. I don't hate it. I'm not mad at it, but it's definitely not the look I was going for, but it's cool. I like it. So let's see. I will take this color here, right here, and put it right here in the outer corner. I'm actually going to take a pencil brush to add a little bit more color. I love that. Oh my god, that is so pretty. On another pencil brush, I am going to take just a teeny tiny bit of black to make this just a little bit darker. Like pencil brush and just boop, tap. That's it. I get a little black there, and then go back in with that fluffier blending brush that I was using to blend that in. Alright, like that. I'm going to take that same color from the Masquerade palette, this one, with the pencil brush, and I'm going to go on my lower lash line. Okay, and then I'm going to go with the black again, and again, just a teeny tiny bit. Then back to the Masquerade palette, I'm going to go back with this color. And then back with this color on top of that. I'm going to take this other Juvia's palette, the one that I used in the last video, this gold down here as a inner corner highlight. This is a lot more festive than I was planning to do, but okay, sure. So I'm going to take this Milani eyeliner. It's a brown one. I don't want to use black, so I'm going to use brown to do my waterline and my tight line. So for liner, what I'm going to try first is using eyeshadow as my liner, and then if I don't like that, then I will use my regular, my e.l.f. liquid liner. So the liner, the shadow that I'm going to try first is from the Warrior palette, this brown up here. I think I want to take a little bit of this color in the center to just brighten up the inner corner a little bit more, because this is a lot more gold and I wanted something a little brighter, just to brighten that up a little bit. Okay, so I actually have lashes this time. I'm gonna put them on off camera because I suck at putting on lashes, so no one needs to see that. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with lashes on. This feels so weird. This is so foreign because I never wear lashes. So yeah, but they're on. They look decent-ish, so we're going to move forward. Okay, so now it's time for lips, and I'm going to use my lip liner, which is the ColourPop BFF3 lip liner. So I'm going to use these two colors. The first one is the Milani lip cream in the color Fancy, and then on top of it I'm going to use the Milani Nourishing Lip Plumper in the color Pink Quartz. I forgot my blush, so I'm going to go with this Juvia's Place blush palette. I've had it for a while, so it's really dirty. Don't judge me. Kind of mix this color and this color together. See how that turns out. Okay, and that is it for this look. I really like the way it came out. It's a lot more dramatic than I initially intended on doing or going. But I don't hate it. I like it. The lashes though, that's going to take me some time to get used to because I never wear false lashes. I hate the way they feel on my eyes. But I find that on camera, the look translates better when you have lashes on. Like it seems more dramatic. I don't know. But I like it. Okay. Well, that is it. I hope you liked this video. Again, if you have any topics that you think might be fun to talk about during videos, let me know. And I'll talk about them while I do my makeup. I am also filming some cooking videos. I'm going to film a cooking video tomorrow. But yeah, I like it. I can't stop looking at the eyes. The eyes are so pretty. It's very like fall looking. I like it. I like it. Let me know what you think. Okay, bye.